What up, do gang? Back with another one, man. Hey, if this is the first time tuning in, hit the bell at the top. Subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? That way you get updated every time I drop a video, man. And hey, I don't know what it is. I don't know who been watching my channel, but I guess my channel been getting a lot of little different, you know what I'm saying, views because different companies been hitting me up, man. So this company right here, man, is called CARPURIDE. I think I'm saying that right. CARPURIDE. Yeah. But they sent me this screen, man, and you know what I'm saying? It's a real dope screen. It's got Apple iPlay, AirPlay. It got all types of different features on it, man. But I'm finna, you know, install it and set it up and just go through the features, man, and you know what I'm saying, see what's all on it. I don't know if I want to keep it in here or am I gonna put it in my daily. But I'll see what it look like, man, because I'm about to get a dash cam too, so plus I got my my Trinity right here for my tuner. But I ain't even said nothing about that yet. Y'all don't even worry about that. That's another video coming. Y'all don't even worry about that. That's another video coming, man. But look, but this screen though, man, look how long it is. Pause. Let me get it set up. Let me see, man. It come with hold on, let me see what all in here. Let me see. So we got the power adapter. We got an auxiliary cord. We got a dash mount. The base. Then we also have right here just the mount for the actual screen. So let me see, can I get it mounted and powered on for y'all, man, so we can go through the motions and, you know, see what all features it got. Hold on. So it comes with this little like let me just hold on, man. The sun is sunning. Well, look, let me just show y'all, cause so this is the piece. So hold on, let me. Alright. So this is the mount that goes to the base of the screen. So you just put it right here, man, and it clicks on in those little grooves, and then it locks, right? So then it comes with a two-sided piece of adhesive. So you peel this first part off, right? Get that peeled off. And then you line it up. And it's already pre-cut, man, so you know what I'm saying, you line that part up like such. Oh Lord, wait a minute. Hold up, oh shit. Hold on. Mess some shit up, hold on. Alright. That's close enough. Alright, so you put that on there. Then let me see. Alright guys, so look, apparently you can mount this two different ways. So you can take this right here, peel the adhesive off, and then you can stick it somewhere on the dash or somewhere like, you know, right here, or if you didn't want to mount it, you can mount it like it can stick to something or stick to another screen. You feel what I'm saying? That'll be dumb like that, but you know, y'all get what I'm saying. Or you can do it the traditional way, which is the way I'm probably gonna do it. You can remove this, take this back off. See this over here. Take that back off. And then it comes with the regular, traditional mount. And it's designed the same way with those clips. So you literally just put that in there like that. And then you push it up and it locks. Just like that. See, now we ready to mount it. So hold on, let me mount it real quick. So before I put this up there, man, I want y'all to look right there. Like, let me see, hold on, let me focus. All right, it has a USB, it has a headphone jack, it has a slot for a memory card, and it also has a slot for a mic. So you got a jump drive or a thumb drive or anything, whatever you call it, you can put that right there, man. If you had some headphones or you had an auxiliary jack or something you wanted to have, like some type of external music source, you can plug it in right there. And then you want to upload a movie or a video or something just from a GoPro or any type of micro SD card, you can put it right there, man. So that's kind of dope. But let me just go ahead and get it powered on real quick. All right, so I ain't mounted this yet. I'm just trying to wait before I mount it, man, so I can go through all these features and stuff. So let's see. Y'all can see right there. So let's go through this thing, man. So first thing first, the Bluetooth not connected. Let me see, let's connect my phone. Let's see. Let's connect to it. All right, let's see. Let's see if that's the right thing. All right, it says it's connected. I think that's it. Okay, boom. See how they just turned green? All right, Bluetooth connected now. Control the volume. Let's turn it down for right now because I don't know how loud this thing gonna be. Let's turn the brightness up, man. There we go. There we go. To get a little bit more brightness. Turn the brightness to the max. All right, we go to the home screen. All right, we're gonna go to Bluetooth. Oh, that's for all you can dial? Okay, let's go to music. So let's see what I'm playing. I'm playing some on my phone. Let me see. Okay, it's playing off of there. All right. All right. Let me turn the truck on. Let's see, is it going? Oh man, I ain't got my keys. All right, I ain't going back in the house. All right, let's see what else we got. AirPlay. Okay, so snap. So hold on. Okay, it got AirPlay. So if I wanna okay, so it's asking me, do I want to use AirPlay? Use CarPlay now. So okay, hold on. Let's see something real quick. Hold on. Okay, see how I switched to Apple Music? Okay, that's dope. Oh, oh shoot, so they got the whole Apple. Oh, I can use Waves. Okay, hey, that's dope though. It brought up my whole entire. Okay, so it's just like it brought up my Apple CarPlay. Only thing is I didn't have to plug in a USB. I could just Bluetooth it. Let me turn it off before I get copyrighted. And then it bring the map right up there. So all I gotta do is just Bluetooth straight to this, and then it takes over. Okay. Okay, so it take you back to the. Okay, so we'll see what's auto link. Let me go to EQ first. You know I like my. I'm trying to see what can I play that's not copyrighted, man. Bro, hold on. I got one of my boy songs. Smoking on that new Biscotti. Parlay Parker. You watch this video, my boy? Appreciate you. Alright. Alright. It's like working out. It's like different weights, you know what I'm saying? Try some EQ set. You know, make it better, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, screen. Hey, this is fast car. Oh, that is kind of straight though. It play right all that. She a bad bitch, I just like a body yachty. I'm drinking ginger lemon tea, smoking on new Biscotti. Just like them little Jordan nigga, these Balenciagas. I kick sauce so. Alright, I'm finna customize it myself, man. Let's see. It's for wireless iPhone app. Please check below the device will be related and use the iPhone to search the device Wi-Fi. Okay, wait a minute. So, okay. Let me go to the Wi-Fi. So, okay, boom. I'm joining it. Say password is. I don't like all these sixes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, boom. Let's see what this does. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh man, I call front and back. Hold on, man. Come on, bro. I'm busy, bro. Alright, where was I? AirPlay, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wi-Fi name. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Join. Please disconnect wireless iPlay. Wait a minute. Disconnect wireless AirPlay. iPlay. Hold on. So I gotta disconnect my Bluetooth first. Hold on, it said disconnect. Alright, so now let's go back and try it again. Alright, now we connect to it. Okay, does that mean it's connected now? So anything I play on my phone is gonna play up there. Alright, well if it's gonna do that, let's see if it's gonna play like this. Hold on, let's see. It's loading, guys. Check out my boy Shay V. Apple Bluetooth devices.
You could keep overpaying for commercial auto coverage, or you could get insurance from Viber and pay as little as.
See, I think it's just gonna play the sound. I don't think it's gonna play the extra beat. Alright. I thought it was gonna play the actual sound, man. I mean the actual video. But anyway, it's still pretty dope though, man. So yeah, man, y'all want one of these, man, I'm gonna put the link down in the description below, or the website where to get it from. And if you put in code Big Rob, it will get you 15% off this tablet. Well, it's not really a tablet, it's a screen. It's compatible with iPhones, it's compatible with Apple, and it can mount easily into your vehicle. So yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? So feel free to check them out. They got all different types of models and designs, and not just this, but they got one for every vehicle. And they got a whole bunch of little different gadgets and stuff like that too. So definitely check them out, man. The name of the company is called CarPuride. So yeah, I will, again, like I said, I will drop the link in the description of where to go to get one of these. And if you decide to purchase one, I will put my code down below, code Big Rob, and then you can get you 15% off, man. So yeah, y'all rocking with that, man. Y'all go check them out. Peace.